Hi everyone! Today let's build a modern wooden mailbox. You can see the cut list on the screen. Just pause the video if you want to take a closer look. You will also find all dimensions and detailed assembly steps later in the video. Before installation, it's a good idea to treat the bottom part of the frame that goes into the ground with woodlife copper coat. We will build this mailbox using standard lumber from a local hardware store. You will also need wood screws. You can stain the side trim pieces with a dark exterior wood stain. It gives the mailbox a more modern look. In the pinned comment, you can find a link to the PDF plans. You can print them if you want to save time during the build. At the end, install the mailbox, add the house numbers, and for a nice look you can also add solar outdoor wall lights. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. See you in the next project.